Virtual Tour, ABSN Learning Center, Cleveland, Ohio. Satellite Facility. Our ABSN Learning Center is located about 12 miles south of Cleveland in Independence, Ohio. Dedicated space. Students enrolled in the Cleveland-based ABSN program attend nursing labs and take proctored exams at this location. Classrooms. Spaces where students meet with faculty, take exams, and study with their cohort. Student lounge. Here, students can take breaks, eat lunch, and connect with their peers. Skills Lab. Our Skills Lab provides a realistic backdrop for students to learn the safe, effective application of core clinical skills, such as catheter insertions, intramuscular injections, and wound care. Patient simulators. Our child and adult simulation mannequins deliver realistic physiologic responses, including pupil reaction, heart sounds, and respiration. Simulation rooms. These rooms allow students to intervene in highly realistic clinical situations across the continuum of patient care. Control room. Faculty control the patient simulators from this room, making on-the-fly adjustments to a simulation based on student actions and responses. Debriefing room. Following a simulation, students and faculty meet here to discuss the experience, which is the main learning component of the activity. Continue your tour. Contact our admission team at 866-890-9467.